This video, I want to show you how to use Google Classroom, how to create assignments, and how to send emails to students in different ways. I'm using another classroom because it's already created. I already having topics for you to see the difference. So before starting with classwork, I want to go back to people. When all your students are listed here, you can add guardians. Guardians means parents. So if I want to invite a parent, I click here and I will say here, invite guardians, and I put the email of the parent. When the parents are present, I can email them from here. So you can send them emails. You can send the student email by checking this and go email. You can also remove a student or mute. You don't want any message coming from them. You can also select many students and send them emails. If you want to add more teachers to your Google Classroom, you can do that. Let's say you are a grade 1 homeroom teacher and you want all the other teachers, all the special teachers to be using the same Google Classroom, as if you are using one planner for them. So you can add teachers, invite teachers like the Islamic, the Arabic, the IT, the PE, the art teachers. You can add them, and all of you can collaborate. You will be added as collaborators to this classroom. When you finish setting your Google Classroom, you go to classwork, and here you can add assignments and add material and so many things. So when you click plus, you can see you have many options. Today I will teach you the material, the question, and the assignment. I will start with the material. The material is when you want to give the student an extra help, extra document, more explanation to view at home or in classroom. Let's say I'm talking about Python, numbers in Python, and I want to post Google Slides for them to read from. So I will search my drive and I will say numbers. See here it appeared. So that's the Google slide, and I will add a topic for that, and it's already created for me. I will click numbers. So that's the material for my students to view, to read, to study, but I'm not expecting them to return anything, and I will post it. If I want to create a question, usually in my class, I use the compelling questions or the enduring questions, or the inquiry lines. You can add them here, and you can make an online discussion. So I will say, what, let's say, why do um, why do we use numbers in Python as a different data type? Okay, let's say this is a question, a compelling question that I want them to discuss. If I want them to discuss without, not verbally, like using an online platform, this is a great tool. So I put the question. I will say, please answer this question and provide at least 2 feedback by replying to your friends. Okay, and here I can grade it, and I also can ungrade it. I can put a due date as any assignment. I will say it's due next Monday. And this is important. Students can reply to each other. I want them to reply to each other because I want them to give feedback to each other. I want them, if you don't want that, you just turn it off or on, but I don't want them to edit the answer after they submit. You can add material to this question that it will help them answering the question. You can add a link for a website, you can add a video, whatever you want. And when you're done, you can ask. Um, and that's it. This is a question that I have been adding. Um, I also can add an assignment here. The assignment is something that you give to students and you are expecting them to return it back when they finish. Let's say I will use something other than numbers, other than Python. I will say ownership types. I will write the instructions. I will make it 10 points. The due date is October 3rd. And the topic is create a topic ownership. And I will go here to my drive and write ownership. Click search. And here is the table that I want them to use. I will add it. And here students can view file. If I will put that, students only see the file. They cannot edit, they cannot add anything to it. They need to make a copy for themselves. If you want to make things easier for you and for the students, you can change that by selecting make a copy for each student and then click assign. So every student will get a copy so that they return a different copy. Other times you want an assignment that the whole class should work on, group work. They need to work on the same document. So I will write the instruction here. I'll say 10 points, due date, let's say 26. And I will go here and say group. Let me see if I find anything here. Sorry, group. Um, let us try this. So now when you click here and say student can edit file, all the student in your Google Classroom will be able to edit the same file. It is a very good example if you want them to create a PowerPoint or a Google Slides, and every student will do one slide in the slide decks. So you attach Google Slides, and then they can add their own slides, and then students can edit file, and you assign like that. So we added materials, we added a question, and we added an assignment. One assignment will send a copy for each student, and another assignment will be like a group work. These are the very basics. I will add one more. If you want to reuse a post like you already did in different Google Classrooms, you can select from different classes, like I will select from Scratch, and I will reuse the same um, assignment from another Google Classroom. I say reuse, and I will assign. You can change, can see I have a document over here, and you can assign. That's all for today. More videos will be coming later. Thank you.